In this video, I'm going to show you how to make video calls on FaceTime. So if you have your iPhone FaceTime enabled or activated, then you can easily make a voice call or video call on the Siri apps. So if you find this educative and helpful, if you want to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this. Now, to make video calls on FaceTime, all you need to do is go to your iPhone and locate the FaceTime application, this, and if you can't find that, just hit this spotlight search and search for FaceTime. Then click on it. Once you open this, then this is what you're going to see. You should see new FaceTime or last week or last time call. All you need to do is click on whether your existing FaceTime caller or new FaceTime. Here you need to click the name you want to put a call through to your FaceTime. You can just hit this plus icon so as to see the list of the FaceTime or contact. Here you can contact on FaceTime. Then preferably you can also just select from any of these. So let me click this and then tap FaceTime. There you go. You can see my iPhone is putting a FaceTime call through to this particular person. Now the speaker is active, then my camera is active. You can see FaceTime video to others. Now once this particular person picked the FaceTime video call, this is what you're going to see. You see this? Then this is the speaker. Then you see this. Then you can mute the conversation. You can also share your screen on FaceTime. You see this? Share my screen and then choose whatever you want to share your FaceTime screen on your device. So this is how to make FaceTime video call on iPhone. So if you like this video and educative, do not hesitate to like and subscribe to this channel.